Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be installing heated grips on my 2024 Honda Transalp. I went on a ride yesterday and I was nice and toasty, except my hands started getting a little chilled. It's December. I've had these grips since I had the bike and been too lazy to install them, but I think now is the time. So let's get into it. These are just the Honda factory heated grips, and I'm just going to be following the instructions provided by Honda. I'll link it down in the description, but I'm just going to start by taking apart all of these things here that it says take apart. I do have an additional step here since I have bark busters, but it's pretty easy to take it off here and these ends come off. What I'm going to do is mark everything so I know exactly where I had them set, because I have my controls set up the way I like it. I don't really want anything to change. So let's get started. Honda provides a area here for the wire routing, and these are the instructions here on how to route those wires. There's a little locating hole there. It aligns to a little notch in this piece here. Gotta make sure that lines up. Okay, you got it plugged in there, routed it through here. You gotta turn the handlebars to work, but comes through here, right here, zip tied again here, and it goes up. Turn it again. Up here, zip tied here. Put it in this little holder, added it to this holder, boom, into the grip. So I'm gonna work on the other side now. Yeah, this side is a little trickier. You have these four screws right here that need to come out. In order to get this one out back here, there's a zip tie that goes here. You need to cut and just move this harness out of the way. But it's off now. This just slides off. Just gotta kind of remember what orientation it was in. It was just like that. But the instructions say we need to grease these parts here. So I'm gonna grease a new one and get it all wrapped up. So I just followed the instructions to route zip tie the cable. They give you this bracket. You bolt it to the front of the mirror right here. So it's ran down through here. And you just gotta kind of turn your handlebars to get access under here. It's ran along here, through here. And then out the side right here, plugs in right there. My bike's missing that little rubber boot that's supposed to be on there. Oh, hey, what are you doing in my face? You just bumped my arm. So my bike's missing the rubber boot that's supposed to be here. This bike's heavily modified. I bought it like this, so I don't think it really needs that. I don't know what that's for. Under the seat here, you'll find the area for the SCS connector. I have my Viridian Cruise plugged in, but this is just a jumper wire that you need to plug in. So you can go into your menus and turn your heated grips on. And sorry for the screen not being too visible here, but you just go down to the service area and you can turn on your heated grips right there. And once it's enabled, you can remove that SCS connector and then go back in, hit the function button, and then you hit up and down. That's how you control it. But now that this is all installed, I think it's time to take the bike out for a test ride and see how these things work. So the day after, I took the bike out to some of my favorite trails near the Lake Mead out here in Nevada. But on the faster riding on the way here, the heated grips worked amazing. Had nice warm hands. The ambient temperatures were like 50 degrees, so it's not super cold. But while you're moving fast, it's enough to chill your hands. But here's some riding footage from out here. I hope you guys enjoy. I appreciate you guys watching.